Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are whipping up a classic favorite Kashmiri Rajma Masala. It's a creamy, flavorful curry made with red kidney beans, yogurt and a blend of aromatic spices. Alright, let's gather our ingredients. 250 grams of Rajma or red kidney beans, 2 cups of rice, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger garlic, whole Garam Masala, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, fresh coriander leaves, 2 large onions and 2 large tomatoes. First soak the Rajma overnight, then rinse them thoroughly the next day. Then into the pressure cooker, they go with some salt and 500 ml of water for 3 to 4 whistles. Once they are cooked, drain the water and reserve for later. Now heat up some mustard oil in a pan. Then add in the whole spices and let them sizzle. Toss in the chopped onions and saute until they are golden brown. Stir in between. Add in the freshly crushed ginger garlic. Give it a quick saute. Then introduce the spice powders. Stir it for a minute. Pour in the tomato puree and cook until the raw smell disappears. In a separate bowl, whisk together the yogurt and gently add it to the curry, stirring constantly. Now add in the softened Rajma beans and let everything simmer together for about 10 minutes. Don't forget to add in the reserved Rajma water for extra flavor. Cover the lid, boil for 5 to 10 minutes until it reaches your desired consistency. Adjust the seasoning to your liking, sprinkle in some Garam Masala and finish off with a tablespoon of ghee for richness. And there you have it, our delicious Kashmiri Rajma Masala is ready to be served. But wait, we can't forget about our jeera rice. Heat up some oil in a pan, add in the cumin seeds, cashews, curry leaves and green chilies. Saute them for a minute. Then add in the cooked rice and give it all a good mix. Sprinkle in some salt to taste. And our fragrant jeera rice is ready to accompany our Rajma Masala. And there you go, our comforting Rajma Chawal is ready to be enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking!